Alright, let's get this stream started. Okay, hold on guys. I'm going to try to get this stream here set up because, yeah. Let me firstly make sure that it's actually going to be streaming and not doing whatever other stuff it wants to do because, computers like to do that stuff. So let me just check on my audio. Computers like to do that stuff. Okay, so I do hear myself, but why is it so choppy? That's what I want to know. Um, hey, who was that? Hi, Boro Fox Productions. Hi. Welcome to the stream, first of all, and thank you so much. I'm glad that I'm your favorite YouTuber. That actually means a lot to me. So basically what I'm going to be doing in this stream is I'm going to be coding with you guys on Scratch, and so we are actually going to be able to pretty much just program a game together. So I'm going to try to do this real quick just to make it a little better. Let me just check, see if this is a little better. Okay. Okay, much better, much better. Okay, I'm going to pull up my stream real quick on another device. That way I can read the chat, and then we will get started. So you guys go ahead and drop your suggestion. Oh, Scratch add-ons update. Okay, you guys go ahead and drop your suggestions down, and I will go ahead and watch it. So let me pull myself up real quick. How to Scratch. Okay, so we have our empty template here. Perfect. Thank you guys a lot for the support. It means a lot to me. So yes, let me check on the. Okay, so we have the stream ready. So let's go ahead and get into it. So we have our Scratch Cat here. So I don't know. Do we want to use the Scratch Cat? I don't know if we do. Bye, cat. You are unneeded right now. Let's go ahead and see what we have to do with on our sprites that Scratch gives us. Come on, load in, load in. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, it's being slow. It's being very slow. Let's see, apple. We have the apple. It'll come to us. We'll figure it out. Who should we make a game of? Why don't we make a game of Boro Fox Productions? Huh? Huh? Yeah? Alright. We could. We definitely could. I'm trying to download that picture. Oh, this is gonna be funny. Congrats. Whether you like it or not, you are getting a game made of you. Haha. Just kidding. If you don't want me to, we don't have to. This is just for fun, of course. Let's see. Oh, yes. There we go. Okay. Has it downloaded? Oh, it's downloading right now. What if we make a game where, like, oh, it's trying to download it many times. Okay, so let me go ahead and upload it. Ta-da! There he is, Boro Fox Productions. So I'm gonna come in here real quick. Can I convert that to bitmap? Oh, that made it very pixely, which is fine. But let's see. Why do I have two? Okay. Let's see. What if I increase the size real quick? Is it gonna look completely choppy? Like, it's not terrible. Not terrible. What if I do 200? Okay, I'll do 200. So, let's see. What should we do? What should the gameplay be? We have his logo here. Oh, oh no. He's removing his messages. I don't know. sometimes. Okay. It is lagging for me, which is because I just turned on the computer and it's probably still setting everything up. Oh, hey Miner Max. What's up? Welcome to the stream. Pretty much we are just coding a game. So, I'm gonna create this background real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the main menu. So real quickly, I'm gonna disable that guy, and do this. So we are going to do this here, and we now have our background. It's a gray background. Okay. What if I do like a bluish kinda? Ah, I like this. Why is there only 2 viewers watching? You know, I wish I knew. I'm not sure actually. Maybe everyone's busy or they just got other things to do. You never know. Let's see. What if we make a game called Escape Borrow? Wait, did I spell that right? Borough. Borrow Fox Productions. So this is just a random game I'm kind of making right now. 3. Well, one of those viewers is me because I have to watch it to get the live chat and to like see your messages and stuff while I'm coding. So one of them is me. So I don't know if it counts. Why is it okay? Escape Borough Fox Productions. You know what we need? We need a creepier type thing. Let's see. Escape Borough Fox Productions. So real quickly, I'm gonna copy this and paste it. So you guys, we don't have to necessarily make a random game like this, you know. You guys can let me know something you wish you knew how to do on Scratch, or something you want to figure out on Scratch, or like a better way to do something on Scratch, and let me know, and I can show you guys if I know how. So it's not just, you know, we'll help you guys learn too. I'm gonna make a little chat bubble real quick. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1 sec. Okay. Okay. So we do have a lot of suggestions going. Okay. So how to make a top-down shooter. Okay. And how to make a stop button. So I can definitely work with the top-down shooter. What do you want the stop button to do, Borough Fox Productions? Like, do you want it to stop the entire game? Do you want it to take you somewhere? I don't know. Just let me know, and I will try to figure that out. Okay, so we do have our new project loading in. Alright, any day now. It's taking years and months, and not really. Stop like a character. So like maybe if it's moving, you want the button to make it stop moving? I don't know. Just give me some examples, you know? And then I can definitely work with that for sure. Let's see. Oh no. Sorry for the buffering. It's all being slow. So hopefully it's not too bad. Yeah. So if you guys could like give me in much detail what you want that stop button to do, just let me know. So this is going to be for, let's see, like a character moving, then it stops. Okay, we'll try to get to that. So top-down shooter. So the internet, I think, is being a little weird. So my internet. Alright, so real quickly, I have the perfect sprite to use. Actually, yeah. So I'm gonna hop on over to I can't talk. OpenGameArt.org, where they are going to be. They share a lot of awesome sprites for you to use. So let me search Ninja, because I believe it's under Ninja. Let's see, where are my top-down sprites that I like? And so make sure you guys, if you do use the sprite from here, give credit to the creators and stuff. Okay, so what? It's not here. Let's see. Top down. See, I know that I had. Oh, something like this kind of. Oh, here it is. Here's my guy. So, yes, if you guys want to use these sprites real quick, go head on to OpenGameArt.org and make sure you guys credit Riley Gombart. What? I don't actually know how to pronounce that. So yeah. Let's see here. We are going to. Okay. We got top-down survivor. Okay. So let's just kind of see how these sprites look. Okay, that's actually 13 megabytes. So it's a good amount of storage. So let me just head over to File Explorer real quick. I don't know if it's going to show up for you guys or not. Probably just me. Let's see. It's sad that you don't have more than 100 subs. You should have more subs for a good YouTuber. Thank you guys. I wish I could have a little more subscribers on this channel just so that I could be able to help and like teach more people stuff. But I think it's definitely been, I definitely think more and more people have been seeing my stuff, which as long as it, you know, they learn something, that's good. Okay, so it is not showing up for you right now because I don't have it set to show, but I am in my file thingy kind of looking at the sprites to see, you know, what it's all about. Or we can even create our own sprites. I'm just really, really, really bad at art. I definitely, you know, for like programming and stuff, making games, I definitely wish I had a more artistic side of me, because then I wouldn't have to use other people's sprites. So that's the one downside. So okay, let's see here. If I wanted to make a sprite, how would I go about doing that? I don't know. Okay. We'll see you in a bit. Boro Fox Productions. Yeah, some people just aren't, you know, they're not made for art. And that's fine. Usually if you don't have art, then you definitely have a lot of the smarts, you know. Cuz I'm more of the programmer rather than the actual art. So I'm gonna drag in some of these sprites real quick. So it's importing one. So we have our first ninja up in there. And then they look the exact same to me. It's supposed to be two different ones for like an animation. You know, it looks the exact same to me. I'm not gonna lie. Let me see. Okay. yeah, so these move sprites, I'm just gonna delete these real quick. And I'm actually just gonna drag it, or no, I'm gonna just upload the entire, okay. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna drag in the entire costume thing. Yo, come on. I just tried to import it. Okay, I'll try again. Okay, so it tried for a sec and then it stopped. So now what I'm gonna do is there we go. Oh, wow, that's a lot. Wow, okay. Okay, so now if I do this, I'm gonna do when flag is clicked. Let's just see what this animation looks like. All right, wait. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like this. So you can't really see his legs and stuff. So let's see. 20, 50, 35. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa. Too big, too big. Okay. So let's do this. So we have our character. Let's do when flag is clicked forever. And we'll be like, okay, if I'm gonna set this up for arrow keys. So I'm gonna do, let's see. I'm gonna do two ors. So I'm gonna do if right arrow, oh, okay. Let's see. If right arrow or left arrow, and this is just gonna be for the animation. Right arrow or left arrow, or let's see, or up arrow or down arrow. So if these are pressed, then whoa, okay, then we are going to just next costume. So let me try real quick. So if I push the right arrow, okay, so if I push any of them, it kind of shows the running animation. Alright, 1 second. Alright, so we now have our arrow stuff. So, real quickly, guys, we are going to do a small pause, okay? So, go get a snack, go get a drink or something. I gotta do one small thing real quick, and then we will definitely continue our stream. So, what am I doing? I just need, here. I'm just gonna search for, like, we'll be back. Okay. I've never done a tutorial live. Yeah, me neither. So, please stand by the most bad quality pause screen. So you guys, just get a little chill break for a minute, and I will return very, very, very soon. So, yes. Actually, you know what I should do? I should play some chill music for you guys because you guys deserve it. YouTube. Come on, YouTube. Come on. Okay, you know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna do. Oops. Let's see what this sounds like. That. Wow. Alright. So here's what's gonna happen, y'all. Ta-da! Alright, you guys, I will be right back. Yo, I have returned. Okay. Okay, so I am back. Let's see here. Oh yeah, Scratch has all the beats, you know? Scratch is chill. Alright. So we have our running animation. So now we are going to get into moving. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do when flag is clicked forever. And we'll do if let's do key right or left arrow. And so actually what I'm gonna do for my character is I'm gonna do set. Wait, you guys can hear me, right? I think so. I'm going to do set rotation style to left or right. I'm gonna do that in the forever. Actually, you know what? I'll just do it up here. So if key right or left arrow is pressed, we'll do if right arrow is pressed. You know, we can actually just do this. So if okay, so oh yeah, you can just do a triangle. It doesn't matter. The only reason I'm doing the set rotation style is so that we can make him face the other way. So if right arrow is pressed, I'm going to point him in the direction he's facing now. And then, okay, so here's where we get to coding the movement. So go into your variables and create a new variable and call it xvel. And I'm going to do for this sprite only because none of my other sprites are going to need to access this sprite or this variable. So I'm going to do this. So I'm going to set xvel to 8. And now I'm going to go back to left arrow, and I'm going to make it be left arrow. And I'm going to point it in the opposite direction and set xvel to -8. So look, here's what happens. Boom, boom, boom. I face the other way, just like that, you know? Actually, it's probably, since we are doing a top-down shooter type game, we can have it like rotate into all the different directions. So I'm gonna do turn xvel degrees. Turn xvel degrees. I'm always gonna turn xvel degrees. You know. Let's see. xvel all sprites or only this one. I would do only this one, just because none of your other sprites are going to need to use xvel. So if you see here, xvel shows up in this list right here while I have this sprite opened. If I go into another sprite right here, that variable is gone, which means you can't actually access it from another sprite. So if you need to change xvel somewhere else, then make it for all sprites. If not, just do for this sprite only. And so now we will copy this real quick and do, we don't need this anymore. Let's create a new one and call it, oh yeah, no problem. We'll call it yvel, okay? Yvel, and then we will do the exact same. So if up arrow is pressed, we will change yvel by 8. If down arrow is pressed, we will change it by -8. I can't see the stream and the scratch page at the same time. Here, I got a possible solution for you real quick. Well, let's see here. What is my stream's link? Let me try to figure that out real quick, just so that I know. Okay, here we go. So, yeah, if you're on, I'm watching from iPad. So here is a maybe working solution for you. Let's go live to live real quick. And okay, so I'm just gonna pull up my stream here real quick. All right. Let me see if there's a picture in picture. Here real quick. Your computer is Windows, right? Is your computer? I don't think it needs to be Windows. Look, so if you go onto your computer, find this thing and try mini player. Just wait. Okay, not mini player. What is it? I could have sworn there was an option. Alright. Mini player. What's this say? Theater mode. That's not it. Huh, weird. I literally swear there was an option. Well, then I don't know, unless, unless you do something like this. So you drag your tab, drag it all the way to this, so you create like a new window like this, drag it over to the side, and then you go back to Scratch, and then boom, you now have it on two sides. The only problem is you can't really see the whole Scratch page or the whole YouTube page. So yeah. So if that doesn't work, I could try to explain it with audio as best as I can, since you can still listen in. So yeah. So now that we have our xvel and our yvel stuff, let's see. Okay, so now at the bottom we will do set xvel to, and we will do, let's see, xvel times 0.8, and I actually have something here. I need to change this back to yvel. So, and we will do the same for our yvel. We will set the yvel to yvel times 0.8. Okay, and now we will change, we will go and change x by xvel. Change x, oh no, stop that. Change x by xvel, and now we will change our Y by yvel. So, real quickly, I'm going to go to 0, 0 once the flag is clicked, and now we will try it out. Okay, so the rotation is a bit weird. So we aren't going to rotate that way. Instead, we will rotate towards the mouse. Got me laughing, the sprite going off the screen for some reason. Yeah, that was because we changed the Y, but we did this here. Mr. Ninja Sprite. Shame on you. Actually, what we can do is always point towards the mouse pointer. So now look. So if you want easy movement, you can do something like this. Now, it's always going to be pointing towards your sprite, towards your mouse. So you will have to figure out the controls. So if it's like doing this, you know. So you're always going to have to point towards your thing. So yeah. Next, what we can do is create a new sprite, and we will call it Bullet. And so let's do this here. I'm gonna create just a little yellow guy here, and I'm gonna change the stroke down a bit. There we go. And so here's what you can do. You can do when flag is clicked, hide. So, and then let's say when flag is clicked, forever, if, and then mouse down. We will say show, and then let's see here. We will, let's see. What if we do this? Let's see. Will we ever get back over to the project? It's been 1,000 years. Which project? That other one where we were making a game about you? We might. Really the stream was for people, like, you know, when they have like if they need help with something, we can help them with that. But we definitely will get back to that eventually. So forever, if mouse down, show, and we will do this. We will point towards, or what if we do this? Point in direction. Go to sensing, and then do this. So backdrop number of stage. Instead of stage, click on sprite 1, and we will do direction. Let's try that. So if I show, and then what if we like do repeat until, repeat. Oh, good idea, BoroFox Productions. We will add Miner Max as the enemy. Okay, the enemy. Haha. So we will repeat until, go to sensing and the touching, and do touching edge. Do you guys have touching edge, or is that an add-on? I really hope it's not an add-on. Yeah, I kind of go quickly. It's not very good. Okay, so do you guys have touching edge, or is it just an add-on? Because I know some of the add-ons will add stuff like this, and I hope everybody has touching edge and not just myself, because yeah. Okay, so you'll do repeat until touching edge. It's okay. You can just show the blocks and I'll catch up quickly. Okay. So yeah. Repeat until touching edge, and we will move 10 steps. So let's try this. Pew. Pew. Oh, okay. So we actually need to go to sprite 1. Pew. Look at that go. Look at it go. So, as you can see, it comes straight from our player. Now, if we don't want it to, it's coming from our player and not the gun. So, let me see if there's something that I can do about it. So let's see. It's okay. Emoji. Well, hehehe. Emojis. Oh, it's corn. Um. So there we go. We have our guy who can shoot. Haha. Time to shoot the wall. Pew. Pew. So the only problem here is that it is coming from our, well, for me, it's coming from this guy and not actually the gun. It's probably different for y'all sprites, so it's not a big issue for me. So we now have the bullet, so now we need the enemy. Here he is. Hey, is this your Roblox user, Miner Max? And if so, what is the username? And I will go and like get that user's picture myself. That way it's not just the profile picture. Or I can do this. Remove.bg. And we'll see if I can remove that background. So I'm going to try to remove that background real quick. And if not, if you want, okay, let's just see if this works. Watch this. Okay. It tried. Let me zoom in there real quick. Oh, that's not good. Let's see. I'm gonna try to restore a bit. Oh, yeah. So what's your username? What is your Roblox username? Because I can actually get in there myself and like, because Roblox has an automatic thing where the background's gone. Yeah, your user guy on Roblox. Okay, let me try that because that will be much easier. Let's see. Copa CamX. Let's see here. Is this you? I think this is you. Eat, play Roblox, cry yourself to sleep, repeat. Love that. I love that. You gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, here we go. Watch this. Boom. Mr. Roblox. So let's do this. We'll call this Miner Max. And I'm gonna call this real quick player. So let's see, why is, yeah. Phew. Okay, so it works. I can shoot the Miner Max. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do when flag is clicked forever, and let's do this. We are going to say something like, can we go to edge? Okay, so we can't go necessarily to the edge, but here's what we can do. We can have them go to different places. So what if we have them go to either, I don't know, that's actually not necessarily. Or you know what we could do? Oh yeah, let me show you guys the bullet code real quick. So we got the bullet code pulled up. So I need to figure out a way for us to get our minor max. We need to get minor max to go to the edge on either side. That way it's not too easy for our player to just be like, yes, let's just spawn kill minor max, you know? Right when he spawns here, shoot him. You know, we don't want that. So yes. How could I do that, I wonder? I just need to brainstorm. All right. We can definitely have him go to. Oh, my bad. Sorry, forgot. We can have him go to a random position, but the only problem is we kind of want him to come from the distance. So, or no, I do have an idea. Um, it's gonna take a small bit of work. Just let me know once you get the bullet code done, and I can go ahead and work with the minor max. Alright, where is direction of player? So that is in sensing. So it's not going to show up as direction of player. It's going to be backdrop of stage. And so how you would get that to be direction of player is instead of stage, you would click and then click on your player. And then instead of, it would probably switch to exposition. And so instead of exposition, do direction. Oh yeah, I feel like it should be in motion, just because you know it seems like a motion type thing. Okay. You guys do have touching edge, right? This thing. Wee woo, wee woo. Okay. Okay, perfect. There should at least be 10 views. Well, not everyone can show up. That's fine. Alright, just let me know once you finish this and tell me if it works. And actually, what you can do, instead of repeat until touching edge, you can do this. You can do repeat until, and put an or in there. Do touching edge or touching minor max. Oh yeah, the enemies and the bullet. I'm super glad that this helped you. So if you do if you do touching edge or touching minor max, it will stop once it hits minor max. And so obviously you can do when flag is clicked forever, and then do this. You can do forever if. Do you have a movement code for your enemy? But you can do forever if, and then go to sensing and do touching bullet. You can say hide and then go somewhere else. I'm just gonna tell it to go to the random position for a sec. So pew pew. Oh, that's not working. And actually I don't need it tied, so pew. Or maybe it hurts him, so he glides. Hey, come back. And so right over here, what you can do is hide. Just right at the end of that, just tell it to hide. That way it disappears once it hits him or the edge. Get away from me, Mr. Minor Max. Haha. Ow! He's getting me. Oh no. Pew. Pew. There we go. Another cool thing I'll do real quick is I will do this. Let's see. What is sus? Wait, what's sus? Something is sus and I don't know what. So look, I have this little thing here. Oh no, Amogus. So look, I can do when flag is clicked forever and go to mouse pointer. And so now look what happens. Look, I have this little pointer guy. Isn't that cool? So now they can see a little better what they're shooting. Shoo. Shoo. So, Minor Max, is there anything else that you need help with on the shooter right now? Do you need any help on, like, if... Here's what you could do. You could do, in Minor Max, you could do, if touching bullet, you'll do that. But then, let's do if, then, and else. So, I'll do if touching bullet, glide there. Else, we'll do, like, repeat until touching player. And we'll point towards our player and move 10 steps. Oh, okay, way too fast, way too fast. We'll move 1 step. Get me out of here. Oh no. Hey, you're supposed to leave. You're supposed to go away somewhere. I'm shooting you. Why aren't you dying? Go, please. How to make more enemies spawn. So here's what you can do. So you have a movement script, right? Do you have a script that will move your guy? Because that's all you need right now. But here's what you can do. So let's say this. Forever. We will... Okay. Here, 1 second. Okay, so I'm working on something. So, let's see.
Harvey and the stuff in here yet?
Okay, here we are. Let's see here. One time there was a little red cat, and the cat got an ad. Then he turned into Scratch. Ah! Okay. Yeah, you can just take all the time you need. I'm just kind of testing something right now. Uh, so, yeah. I'm just kind of testing to make more things. So, let's see. Point towards player. Move. I'll make it a little faster. Yeah, you can keep working on the bugs. Or here, if you want to let me know what the bugs are, I can try to help you. And then let's see. Let me try this. Whoa, whoa, yeah, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Okay, your enemy isn't moving. What is your enemy script? Is your enemy just like this? Oh. Let me do this. I'm gonna wait a random amount of time. So 1, 2, 5. Oh no. Ah, go away. Oh no. No, stop it. There's more. Ah! Whoa. More enemies are coming. Okay. Ah! We got more enemies. Okay. There's too many. I can't get rid of them all. Okay, there we go. So, let's see. Moving. Point towards player and then move 1 steps. That's the movement block. Okay. Try to copy this exact script right here. See if this works, because it definitely should. Point towards player, and then move the step. I don't know. Make sure you press your flag. Make sure that runs. Okay. Uh, and try to get this exact script down, and then, yeah. Let's see. Let's see. So when I start as a clone, I'm gonna make our guy go to. Actually, here's what you can do. You can do. But the bullet doesn't disappear. Okay, 1 sec. Okay, that's not working. So, here's what you could do. You could go to, let's try I'm gonna try something real quick. I'm gonna have him go to a random position between -200 and 200. There. So now he's always going to spawn at the top, but somewhere random at the top. I think. Right? It doesn't disappear until I click again. Okay, what do you have this down? Repeat until. Okay, so if mouse down, it'll go to the player, it'll show, and then it'll point towards the player. And then it will repeat until it's either touching the edge or touching the enemy. So it'll move that many steps. And then this hide right here. Oh, yeah. Pausing the stream. And so then if you have this hide right here, it should do that. It should hide it once this is done. So let's see. Pew pew. Now I just need to figure out why it's not showing up. Where is my enemy? And why? Oh well. Maybe it needs to show. So I'm not sure where my enemy is. Ah! What just happened? Oh, I know what's wrong. I had my guy go onto the edge when he spawns. That's why. He spawns on the edge, and he's supposed to hide once he gets to the edge. That's on me. Let's see. We'll do this. We'll repeat until not touching edge. So we're going to repeat until he isn't touching edge. We'll have him glide 5 seconds to a random position. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. Why are there so many? Why are there so many? No, you need to go. Go away. Ah! Ah! Oh, please stop. Oh, please go. Oh my goodness. There's just so many. Who is this? What is he doing? Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey guys, come on. Come on now. No! Stop! You're supposed to go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Why is Miner Max doing this to me? Miner Max! All I tried to do was help. Ah! Where'd you come from? Okay, okay. There's too many. There's too many to stop. Here, yes, I can make BoroFox Productions a sprite. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use the same sprite, just different costumes. So let me show this. So I'm gonna switch it to a random costume whenever it starts as the clone. And since I only have 2 costumes, I can switch between a random 1 or 2. Yeah, funny. That's actually kind of funny. Okay, so watch. Now it'll randomize the costumes. Okay. Ah! Hey! Hey! I'm shooting you! I'm shooting you! Ah! Why is it choosing more Miner Max? That's not nice. Go away. All of you. Y'all need to get out of here. Ah! Okay. Yes, you guys are an army. Your army is way too strong for people like me. What the heck? What the heck? Okay. Guys, this is kind of cursed. This is kind of cursed. Not even gonna lie. Hey, what? You were doing nothing and now you're trying to chase me. Okay, this is too scary, guys. This is way too scary. I don't know if I can do this anymore. Just kidding. I can. So, yeah, that's our top-down shooter. So, here's something you could do. In your player, you could do when flag is clicked, forever, and then if, and then be like, if touching minor max, stop all. So let me see if it works on the clones. So if I touch a clone, is it gonna kill me? Is it gonna stop it? Okay, it is. Good. Yeah. Pew. Hey, I'm shooting you. I think I know what the problem is. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna wait 0.1 second to hide. Because I think it's hiding right when it touches. And since our enemy is also trying to detect a touch, it hides before it can. And so, yeah. Okay, or not. Or not. Wow. Wow, you are so incredibly rude to me. So instead of it repeat until touching edge, we'll just do bullet or player. Because now we don't care if they touch the player. So we can actually get rid of this right here. Okay. Whoa! Hey, man. Ah! Okay. They got me. Pew pew. Ha! I'm not afraid. Hey! Hey! Back up! Ah! I'm not afraid to shoot. Okay. Oh, they're all gone. Okay, phew. Ah! Okay. Come on, Boro Fox Productions. Oh, okay. He got me. Well, guys. There you have it. A top-down shooter of some kind. For sure. 100%. Okay. What if we wanted to shoot more than one bullet at a time? If you do, I don't even... I guess you could create a clone just like that. But, thank you so much. Add a background. Oh, yeah, no problem. No problem, Minor Max. A background, huh? You know, so we are technically on the ground right now. So, I might need some kind of grass. It would be cool. So I could add, so I have this here. I'm gonna copy this grass and just kind of paste it. Okay, this is a really, really bad background, but it kind of almost looks like we're on grass, you know? Minor Max, you gotta leave me alone. You gotta leave me alone, man, I'm telling you. Things are not gonna go well. Okay, and he got me anyways. Oh yes, low quality grass at its best. You know what I could do? Clip art, grass. Top down. Here we go. So, let me go in here so I'm not stealing anything. Because we gotta credit people. Okay. You know what? grass. I'm just gonna search for some grass here. I think this looks good. Alright, credit to Lamut. Submitted by this guy. Alright. Oops. I put that in the wrong thing. Woo woo. So, it's not low quality, it's better quality, you could say. Some would say it's better quality. Pew pew. It really depends on the game you're doing. Well, guys, I think that's gonna be it for this stream, because, yeah, it has been an hour, which is kind of crazy because I didn't expect it to go this fast. Could you make a menu screen so when you die, instead of stopping the game, it goes to the menu? Yes, let me get that for you just real quickly. So, the one thing, let's see. Let's see. We will do this. We'll set this to game. So create something called menu. So I'm gonna make menu our first costume, or our first backdrop. Alright. So just kind of design a little menu real quick. Let's see. Attack of... Alright. And so, let's see. There we go. You forgot the other game. No, I swear I didn't. There's some stuff that we have to do. Trust me, we will definitely get back to it. Eventually, even if it's on another stream. So here's what I'm gonna do. In my backdrops, I'm looking at the chat. When flag is clicked, switch backdrop to, let's see, switch backdrop to menu. So, boom, here we are. And then here's what we can do. When backdrop switches to menu, go to wait until. Yeah, maybe the more streamers I do, the more will come. Wait until mouse down, and then switch backdrop to game. So what's going to happen is this. Boom. Boom. So, let's see. For this guy, we'll do this. We'll do if backdrop number, well, go to equals. Oh, hey Flexible, welcome to the stream. You just caught me right at the end of the stream. We're just kind of getting wrapped up, but we are going to be doing some more streams where you can get help with your projects. So yeah, you can rewatch the stream if you want, because we're a little kind of late. Sorry, that's okay. We will do many more streams and many more videos. So there is nothing you are missing out on. We will do many more. So we'll do if backdrop number equals 2. So, because 2 is our game backdrop, and we only want it to create the clone and the enemy if our backdrop is on the game. So look, now we have our guy real quick, you know. We'll have them walk around so they can see a little demo of how it is to walk. And then once they click, because look, none of our enemies are spawning, but once they click, boom, they enter the game. And so, yes, and now some enemies are spawning again. And so we can do when flag is clicked forever if touching minor max, and we will just switch the backdrop to menu. Alright. And actually go to your enemy and do repeat until, and then add another or thing here. So touching bullet or, and then do backdrop number equals 1. Backdrop number equals 1. That way, once it switches to your menu, it will delete the other clones. So watch this. Oh, thank you for subscribing. That definitely helps a lot. There we go. We now have our top-down shooter game. Alright. Lord to the game, please sometimes. Yes, we will definitely go back to that game another time for sure. Just remind me once we do another stream. Yeah, y'all already subbed. Y'all are cool. So yes, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for joining this stream. I really did enjoy getting to code some bits with you guys. So yep, keep being awesome, and I will see you guys in the next stream or video. Bye.